These are the 3 reasons you need to get a power of attorney document in place today. I'm Taylor Kaspar, estate planning attorney, and I help individuals get the right people in place to make financial decisions on their behalf if they were ever incapacitated and couldn't make them for themselves. So today, these are the 3 reasons why you need to get a power of attorney document in place right away. Reason number 1, people have all these common misperceptions out there about how their next of kin, like their parents or their spouse, could make a financial transaction or decision on their behalf if something ever happened to them. And it is absolutely not true. There is nobody who has the legal authority to just act like you, write checks in your name, do financial transactions and things on your behalf if you're incapacitated and you can't do them for yourself. Now, sure, if you're married and you have a joint checking account or a bank account or whatever with your spouse, they would be able to do that and be able to pick up where you left off with that. But if you own your home jointly, did you know that one of you can't sell the home without the other, even though you're married? Or that my spouse can't change my beneficiary designations on my life insurance or put some in place? If something's wrong with me, they can't start and stop policies. They don't have access to my individual, health billing or things like that. So it's imperative that regardless of your marital status, whether or not you live with your parents, that someone be nominated to do these financial things on your behalf if you become incapacitated. Reason number 2, you need to get a power of attorney document in place today is that if you have nobody nominated and there's nobody lined up to take over your finances, if you're incapacitated, you're injured, you're hurt, you're out of the country, you can't do this stuff yourself, then we have to go to the courts and get a conservatorship over you. Conservatorships are very, very restrictive. They actually strip you of your legal rights to engage in contracts on your behalf, fill out and sign certain forms on your behalf, open bank accounts, do finances on your behalf, start and stop payments on certain things. You can't do any of that because you've lost your rights as an individual to do those things the second a conservatorship is put in place. Very restrictive. And once they're in place, you have to go through an entire court process to get it undone. If you become, get restored back to capacity later after the fact. And the number 3 reason you need to get a power of attorney document in place today is because all of the cost that gets incurred by having to have a conservatorship appointed to you and somebody put over you to take over your finances, stripping you of your rights, all of the cost of that comes out of your estate. You're the one that pays for that. So whoever the conservator is, when they have to petition the court and pay the court fees, pay their attorney to get them through that court process, your estate, your money, your dollars, your finances, your bank account is responsible for paying for that person's attorney, paying for the court process that just stripped you of your rights. A really expensive thing that you have to pay for that you probably don't even want. So instead of going through all of this, make sure that you take the appropriate actions to get a power of attorney in place right away as fast as humanly possible. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you need help getting a power of attorney document in place, you have a lot of questions, you don't even know where to start, make sure you follow the link below to schedule a 15-minute call with my office so we can put you on the right track.